Justification, justification, justification. Let's unpack the word justification. It essentially means providing a valid reason for something you did, a decision you made. Examples: logical explanation. If you are late for work, you could explain, "The traffic was terrible this morning. That's the justification for my delay." Here you are providing a logical reason for a situation. Policy compliance. In a legal context, you might say, "There is no justification for exceeding the speed limit, regardless of the reason." This emphasizes that a policy of rule is in place, and justification doesn't apply. Moral defense. You might argue, there is a justification for whistleblowing on unethical practices. It exposes wrongdoing, even if it's risky. This highlights a moral reason for taking a specific action. Generally, justification is used in situations where an explanation, defense, or validation of something is needed. It helps others understand the reasoning behind your actions or the existence of a particular situation.